Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get you approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got a super beautiful 2011 Ford F-250 Lariat King Ranch. This thing's got all the extras that come on the upper level trim packages, from the chrome bumper, fog lights, tow hooks. You got 20-inch wheels on alloys, really good tread. See, Larry, it's got the 6.7 PowerStroke diesel in it, fixed running boards. You can see from the mirrors, it's got the tow package. It's a full crew cab. It's got the standard size bed on it. In the back, you can see got backup sensors in the bumper, a little backup camera under the handle. It's got a spray-in bed liner, the FX4 OffRoad package. It also has remote start, which it comes with 2 keys. You press the lock button and hold down the remote start button. Starts right up. Oops, and then we gotta unlock it to get in. Got power locks, power doors, power mirrors, including power folding mirrors, power seat, that beautiful interior King Ranch leather. The King Ranch is branded into the seats and it's on the floor mats. We got a sunroof. It's got 193,000. There are no warning lights on at all. Got your cruise control and your media control built into the steering wheel. Your 4-wheel drive with your locking differential. You've got Bluetooth navigation, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, dual climate control, built-in brake controller, auxiliary switches that you can hook up to in the back. Lots and lots of cup holders. There's also charging ports in this huge center console, along with the tire lock. Always good to have. Let's take a look at the back. Again, with that beautiful King Ranch leather. It's got a rear sliding window. The King Ranch floor mats. It's got an inverter for 110. It pops up, not down. And a 12 volt there. Beautiful running boards there. Got some chrome and gray grips. These seats do fold up for additional storage underneath. Headliner's in good shape. Passenger side's in good shape. It's got the books with it. It's got Microsoft Sync, which is your Bluetooth and media package. This is a CARFAX one owner vehicle, so only one person's had it since it was new. Obviously well maintained. As you can see, engine looks good. Looks to have an aftermarket air intake. Love to get you approved on this ride. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust it up.